Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove the 3 Torx screws that secure the footwell panel to the glove box assembly. Pull the flooring backwards so you can remove the ceiling panel easier. Remove the footwell ceiling panel. Remove the glove box light. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. The filter is secured by a plastic lock and sometimes metal clips on either end. Pry those off if they are there, and slide the plastic lock to the left to drop the filter. Install your new AQ1161C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Slide the securing plastic over the housing tabs to lock it. Reinstall the footwell panel. Reinstall the sensor. Reconnect the footwell light. Flip the flooring back into position. Reinstall the screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.